Hi, my name is Gwen and I'm gonna show you how to cure cough. And yeah, I have cough now. And get some cup, this cup, and fill it some water. Just in the middle one. You don't want to. And get some wait, and get some calamansi here. Get 6 and cut it in half. Then should be like this. See? This should be like this. Be sure wash it first before you put it. Then squeeze it here at your cup. Make sure the water is just in half. You don't want more water. Yeah. Squeeze it really hard. And this hard. Mommy?
Madumi kamay mo pagkatapos ano sa
No, I
cellphone mo.
wash it. Then some comments. Sure. Oh my god. Put all. Sure, put it all again. Squeeze it very hard. Shush. Very hard. Mommy? Mommy? Can you buy sugar? Can you buy sugar? Please buy some sugar. Squeeze it very hard. Sorry for the noise again. Oh my god. It just spilled out. You can put it here. Mommy, you can put it here. Squeeze, squeeze. Squeeze. Squeeze all.
Ay, ang cellphone mo naman.
Shush! Careful. My mom's helping me. I'm just using one hand, you know. This is my last half. Mommy, the sugar. Oh my god. Just squeeze it. This is my other calamansi that don't have juice. Make a calamansi. Just squeeze it all you can. Just make sure it's squeezed already. And get 1 spoon. And yeah, by the way, this is my Hello Kitty spoon. And this is my Hello Kitty fork. Spoon and fork. Yeah. And this is my other Hello Kitty plate. I'm doing a Hatsukira cup. Hatsukira cup. Yeah. Mommy? Mommy? The sugar. Stir it very well. My god. I cannot do this left-handed. Because I'm right-handed. Taste it. Mommy? Mommy? The sugar. While you're stirring, you should get some sugar. Stir, stir, stir. See? This is what it looks like. It should be like yellowish or greenish. I don't know. But I'm just gonna get some sugar and stir it very well. I just buy some sugar, and this is the sugar, and this. Sorry, it's dark. This is the
Malaki
sugar.
asukal. Hindi malaki asukal kinuha mo.
No,
Malaki na. Tingnan mo yung malaki
It's
na. Babayadan na
15.
lang. Oo, sige. Isuli mo na.
Wait. Can you bring it back? And yeah, they don't have the big sugar, so I just buy the small sugars. Mommy, they don't have the big one. They didn't buy. This is 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoon, 3 teaspoon. Make sure it's 3 teaspoon if you're using like that.
Tapos na sila kumain.
Yes.
Kunin mo na yung tangkisal ko.
Wait.
Ay mga platong pinagkainan.
Put. Wait. Just put 3 teaspoons of sugar. Just put some sugar so it will be nice. Or if you don't want, then don't. But I will put some sugar. But this is my third pack. Hey!
Ilagay mo yung dalawang asukal. Ang tamis-tamis niya. Sira ka talaga. Isa lang ang ilalagay eh.
Sorry.
Maiinom yan.
Just put 2. And then just stir it. Just put 2. Sorry for that. Just put 2.